Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today my review is gonna be related to my truck Sketchy. It's a Ford F-150 2010 model. I got it about a year and a half ago and it's treated me very well. During the time that I got it, I've been upgrading all kinds of things with this truck with some great products. Today is no exception as I introduce to you Nilight front headlights with the DRL LED lighting strips, as well as new taillights. Why do I need new taillights? I'm always looking for a reason to upgrade. What better reason to upgrade than a broken taillight? I've had this crack in my taillight since I bought the truck. I was gonna go out and find a new replacement for it, but I figured, why get the same exact one? Get something new and upgraded, which is what we're doing today. Because this car was made in 2010, it didn't have the LED strip lighting that you see on the modern newer style that they have today, which is LED strips that go along your headlights. Because Nilight has them, we're gonna have them today. Let's unbox these two boxes and I'll show you what we got. Okay, after unboxing, look what we have. Ho-ho! Whoa! You see what I'm talking about? These are the new upgraded versions, right? Where this is an LED strip light for DRL, daytime running lights. I believe these are on all the time for better visibility, even during the daytime. And it should be a direct replacement, with the exception of these come with a special module to power up the LEDs, where at the time these didn't have it. You would simply replace the bulbs that you have in there and stick them right in there. There might be a bypass where you'd have to use a bypass and stick it in here instead of somewhere else, so that this module will work for the LED strip. This is going to be a fantastic upgrade. Wouldn't you agree? And this is just a direct upgrade. There's no LED strip lights, although I'd like to have them. But this is just making it a little bit more modern, deleting a little bit more of the chrome style here. As you can see, I have water that's built up like a swimming pool. So this is just a direct replacement. Simply put the bulb modules in here, screw them back in, and you're done. We're gonna do this first. The rear tail lights are very easy to take out. I believe it's just 2 5/16 bolts. And it pops right out. That's it. Unplug these modules and stick them in the new one. Could it be that easy? By the way, they also include instructions and a pair of gloves. Remove these stickers that cover the hole. They do that to make sure nothing falls in the hole during shipping. The stickers, however, are paper and not vinyl, so difficult to remove. The bottom module was harder. I had to remove it to get the bulb in because the module was in the way. Before I screw it in, let's see if they work first. Hazard lights, brake lights, turn signal, reverse. let's test this one. So these are going to be more in-depth, a little bit more trickier to do. So I'm upgrading to the new LED DRL strips. You need to bypass one of these things with this module. So instead of plugging it into a normal place, you would plug it into here. Hopefully it'll be easy. $10mm here. Three modules. Actually, it looks exactly the same. It's just that over here, they include the bulb for you. So you just plug this module into this, which bypasses that. So it's the same thing. One connection in here instead of there, because they already did it for you, and included the bulb. The big main LED light goes right in here, and the marker light right in there. Should be easy. I have LED bulbs in this one. It doesn't come with LED bulbs. That should do it. That was super easy. Fantastic. It's hard to see in the daytime. So the fit is not exactly right. There's a little gap there. And I noticed that there's a gap here. But then I look on the other side with the stock ones, and there is a gap there too. But this is flush. I tried all different kinds of ways. It just won't go in there. So that sticks out a little. Still looks great. I'll do the other side now. How about that, guys? Looks fantastic. What a great upgrade from this to this. I'm gonna wait until it turns dark so I can give you guys a look at what it looks like at night. So just unlocking the car. Look at that. Awesome. With the lights fully on. Beautiful. So, super easy to install. 3 10mm bolts to get the headlights out, and just 2 5/16 bolts to get the rear tail lights out. You saw how I did it. It was so quick. I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated, but it's just literally plug and play from Nilight. Fantastic item. More inexpensive than the other DRLs that you see out there online. So if you guys are interested in something like this to upgrade your older vehicle, you get the Nilight LED headlights and rear tail lights. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's weekend product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.